Closed off from love, I didn't need the pain. Once or twice was enough, but it was all in vain. Time starts to pass before you know it, you're frozen. Oh, but something happened for the very first time with you. My heart melts into the ground, found something true. And everyone's looking around, thinking I'm going crazy. Oh, hey. I don't care what they say, I'm in love with you. They don't know the truth. Keep on closing, yeah. You cut me open, then I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding your love. Keep bleeding, I keep bleeding your love. Your love, you cut me open, trying hard not to hear, but they talk so loud. Their piercing sounds fill my ears, trying to fill me with doubt. Yeah, I know that the goal is to keep me from falling. Yeah. But nothing's greater than the rush that comes from your embrace. And in this crowd of loneliness, I see your face. Yeah, everyone's around me thinking I'm going crazy. Maybe, but I don't care what they say. I love you. I don't know the truth. Oh, you cut me open, then I keep bleeding, I keep bleeding your love. Keep bleeding.